Upon the wall the shadows glow with silver scars that softly flow, white lines racing through the night like restless birds in sudden flight. Every scratch and every stain feels like dancing in the rain, splashes scattered wild and free like laughter washing over me. So many layers deep and wide, so many worlds the paint can hide. I stand before this work of art and feel it beating through my heart. Oh, this picture sings to me like waves that roll across the sea. Black and white in joyful streams, turning silence into dreams. And I feel so light tonight, like stars exploding into light. Every mark and every line whispers all your scars can shine. The dark embraces every glow like roads where secret wonders grow, curving paths that twist and bend yet somehow lead me home again. That little cross upon the side feels like hope you cannot hide, a quiet sign both brave and true. Broken things are beautiful too. Every splatter starts to sing, every crack means everything, like happiness was thrown by hand across this wild and painted land. The museum breathes so slow, holding echoes deep below, and in this frame I almost see forever smiling back at me. Oh, this picture sings to me like waves that roll across the sea. Black and white in joyful streets, turning silence into dreams. And I feel so light tonight, like stars exploding into light. Every layer seems to say, even broken hearts can stay. A scratch, a splash, a silver flame, and I will never leave the same. I walk away, yet still I find this painted joy stays in my mind. glow, with silver scars that softly flow, white lines racing through the night like restless birds in sudden flight. Every scratch and every stain feels like dancing in the rain, splashes scattered wild and free, like laughter washing over me. So many layers deep and wide, so many worlds the paint can hide. I stand before this work of art and feel it beating through my heart.